I was talking with my friend Michelle after we went to Cycle Bar this morning. She is a newbie Cricut user, so we usually end up spending some of our car time talking about Cricut things. She said, my problem with my Cricut is I get it out to make something, and number one, I don't really know what to make that's beginner friendly, but number two, I don't have an hour and a half to make a new Cricut project. I remember facing that exact same problem. And if she feels that way and I felt that way, there's probably many of you who also feel that way. When I first started Cricut crafting, I had the length of my newborn's nap time, which sometimes was like 20 minutes. And you wanna make something from start to finish. You don't want to only be able to do a project 30% during the time you have to craft. I decided to start a new series. It's gonna be live over on YouTube, but I will post clips from that series here so you don't have to go to another platform if you don't want to. Projects that are beginner friendly that you can do in 30 minutes or less. We're gonna use a variety of materials. We're gonna use a variety of skills with our Cricut. And I wanna really show you the full depth and breadth of what you can do with your Cricut machine in 30 minutes or less. Mostly, I just wanted to let you know that that's something I'm gonna do. But mostly I also just wanted to know that if you feel that way, you're not alone. That's a really common way to feel when you start out with Cricut, and we are going to solve that problem for you. So happy crafting in 30 minutes or less.